What's up guys, thanks for watching another video. Today we got another little tiny mod for the GTR. It's probably like not even noticeable. I'm sure if I did this off camera, no one would even notice that I did it. It's something very small, but I noticed at the GTR cruise that I went on last weekend. I think the last video I posted. A lot of the GTRs had this little mod done to their cars, and I found out what it is. All it is I'll show you guys right now. It's a tail light and light bulbs, more light bulbs. I know you guys want me to do an exhaust and all these crazy mods, and they're coming. The exhaust is on its way actually. We also got a steering wheel on the way, so we got some mods. Sam at 412 is also gonna try to help me find fuel pumps, injectors, intakes, and all that stuff, so we can go full bolt-ons already. I wanna go full 85 and everything like that, so wait on that. But for now, we're gonna do a little tiny mod that is very, very small. So this is a little tiny mod that I'm changing. As you guys can see, this is the turn signal. It's this orange little yellow light. That might be cool to some people, but with this little, I don't know what this is, module thingy, you plug it in, and instead of just that little turn signal, these whole rings will be the actual turn signal. So you guys will see once I'm done with it. I'll show before and after. And also, since that won't be the turn signal anymore, I think it would become a reverse light. So both of these will be the reverse lights. I think this is just a reverse light right now, if that makes any sense. I know it's very complicated, but it's a little tiny mod that will look way better. Those are the reverse lights. As you can see, they're kind of yellow. You can't really see on camera, but they're yellow. So I don't know how to do this. I've never done this ever, so I'm gonna watch a YouTube video and hopefully I don't screw it up. I heard you have to like take off these plastic panels, get into there, plug the new bulbs in, plug that wire in, and it's done. Can I get a shot for that? Look at this.
That'd be good vlog footage.
Ah! You can really see a before and after of what I'm talking about. So this was the previous, just the one turn signal, and now the whole tail light, the whole rings are the turn signal. There's no more yellow, anything inside. This is before and after. My reverse light, all yellow, and it's just the inside one is reversed. But now, both of them are reverse lights, and they're super bright white. It looks freaking sick. It honestly should have came from the factory like this. I don't know why it doesn't, but that's why I wanted to do it, just to change it up. I don't know, very simple thing. Probably it's not even a big difference, but I really wanted to do it. I've seen it on a couple GTRs and it looks so much better than just the ugly yellow orange light. Probably looks like I just woke up because I literally just woke up. Today we're actually doing something new to the GTR. We're actually painting the brake calipers a different color. So from the factory, the GTRs come with these orange copper color brakes, and I'm not that big of a fan of it, to be honest. They're really sick Brembo brakes, but orange is just not my color. And I honestly didn't know what color to do for the brake calipers, guys. I didn't know. I did a little poll on Instagram, but a lot of people wanted me to do red, a lot of people wanted me to do yellow, and a lot of people wanted me to do like a lime green, like an acid green, which I was thinking of doing actually. But as you guys know, my favorite color is red, and this car has a lot of red accents in it, so I think it's only right to do red brake calipers. We're gonna do like a candy apple red. I'm freaking excited. It's gonna be sick. I can't wait. It's gonna be a huge difference, to be honest. But we're about to pull up right now, meet the homie, and get these brakes red to the homie shop. But I wanted to show you guys the color of the brake calipers. It's like the orange copper color, and yeah, I'm not that big of a fan. A lot of people wanted me to do red, and I think I'm gonna do it because there is a lot of red accents, like the red tail lights, red right here, red inside. Alright guys, some time has passed. I didn't get to film the actual brake paint job. I think I filmed just a little bit when he started sanding it down, but I didn't film like the whole paint job or the whole process. I'm sorry. I should have stayed there and vlogged it, but it was way too hot. And I wanted to just give them their space, let them do a good job on the brakes, and they freaking killed it. I'm gonna leave the homie's link right here. He does a really good job on brake calipers, and these things came out freaking insane. But this is the red that we went with. I don't know how good it's gonna pick up on camera, but it looks insane. It's not gonna pick up on camera how it really looks. It's like a candy red, very dark. They look freaking perfect. I don't even want to drive the car and get them dirty. We also did the white Brembo sticker. It looks so good, bro. I'm obsessed with it. Next is to get rid of that orange reflector. I need that out. Damn. I love this car, guys. Look how shiny it is, bro. It's freaking crazy. This is like the real color. The camera's kind of picking it up now. It's like a candy red. Since we're at 412, I want to show you guys this Supra. I think I showed it in the vlog before, but check out the motor. Woo! That is not the original motor. They freaking put a 2JZ in here. Damn. This thing's gonna be crazy. It's a fully built motor too. I wish I showed you guys the exhaust, but they had the single exit exhaust like the old Supras too. I think they're building a full cage in here too. They're going all out. Must be nice.
I don't know why I'm driving it. It's so stupid. My ass.
We're gonna get in trouble in this car.
Thank you, bro.
This car gets too much attention. You already said.
What?
That's FindingNick. I swear, bro. Okay, guys, so Joseph needed to make a Home Depot trip and he decided to take the race car to Home Depot.
Yeah, the guy said it's FindingNick. I heard him.
Oh my god.
Hold on, where's that thing that I gave you from Sam?
Bro, I literally can't even get out of this car. So yeah, we brought the race car. 836 with the single turbo kit.
Street vehicle race car.
Yeah, believe it or not, it's actually street legal if you want to call it that.
Isn't that crazy?
It has a plate and it's registered and insured.
Crazy.
So look at the mess. It's everywhere, bro.
You read it?
What does it say? I can't.
If you're reading this, you are too close.
See, so it does have a plate on it. And supposedly it has insurance too, which I would drive it every day.
I know you would. Because it's fun.
And it gets all the attention, bro. Everybody looks. Joseph doesn't want me to jinx it, but I told him if a cop sees us,
No.
bro, we're getting pulled over instantly. There's no way.
Okay, so what?
No way a cop's gonna just let us drive by. It looks like a NASCAR, bro. At night,
You're asking for trouble, guys.
that's what I'm saying if a cop sees us. It sounds like a drive-by, bro.
It is street legal, so we just had fun.
You got the helicopter on us.
Oh shit.
I swear, bro.
Oh my god. Dude. Sorry! Oh my god, he just put the...
No way.
I swear to god.
No way.
He put the cop thing on.
I'm kidding, look. Bro, I swear that's the police one. You guys seen this in the last vlog when they were tuning it? Built S52, single turbo, exhaust, exit out the hood. I would actually want to get pulled over just to see what a cop would say. Well, that was sick. Sam's over here working on my race car. And guys, at first, I wasn't gonna keep mine like street legal. I wasn't even gonna register it. I'm just gonna keep it as a track car. But after driving this thing on the street and how much attention it gets and how fun it is on the street, I kind of want to do it. I don't know if you guys saw that. A cop just flew by. But the E46 is on the lift, guys. And supposedly, Sam says that we're going to start it. But everything's pretty much done. We wired everything. My wheels are on. The wrap is pretty much done. Finally, we can freaking drive this and make hella content. I can't wait, dude. So many videos with this thing. Let me know, guys, should I register it? If I do register, I'm probably gonna register it out of state so I don't get in trouble with cops, but should I register it or just keep it a track car like Sam? Okay, we came back into the E36 because Joseph wants to see the flames at night. A little darker. It looks way better at night, guys. That looks way better. Look at all the race cars here. 412 is turning into a drift shop only. Why is that one so loud? Dude, that shit is so loud. Like the pitch of the engine is so freaking loud. Joseph watching the 412 video?
We're about to come down tomorrow. You're gonna post it at the same time?
I'm gonna post it the same day, so you guys can go watch this.
Let's go.
Right after my video.
For real?
After mine, no, sorry.
Okay. No lights on?
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see.